Does delaying payments affect your customer success? Put an end to overdue payments or having to switch between multiple systems by processing payments right after signing invoices, sales orders, reimbursements, or contracts. And now you can do all of that in one place. Discover how document workflows work with airSlate's built-in integration for Stripe to process payments in just a few clicks. Choose or create a workflow. Add or create the document you need along with a ready-to-use payment form. Connect to your Stripe account and customize the payment form. Configure a pre-fill form doc to DocBot to automatically pre-fill the payment form with the purchase details for the purchase order. Run your flow and enjoy the results. From now on, you can automate your entire document workflow and integrate them with custom payment forms in airSlate. Get to know where to start processing payments fast with airSlate Academy's Automating Invoice Processing course. Click the link in the description to learn more.